Hello, Operations Management students. Hey, as you complete this Alison Fundamentals of Project Management course and certification, I just want to give you a few tips here. You will not need to download anything. Now, initially, the good news is this is a free course, but initially you may need to set up an account either using Facebook, or you can create your own username and password. I already have that, so that's why I'm in. But what you want to do is start the course now, and then you can see I'm getting asked to log in. I'm going to log in with my Facebook login because it already has that. Now, what you don't want to do is click on some of this junk. It is free and you're going to see a lot of ads. Don't click on the ads. But what you want to look for is Start Topic down here. And then you start the topic, and you can read through the instructions, and then you can see a Next here, and just navigate that way. Now, eventually, when you get through all of the modules, there will be an assessment, and you will take the assessment, and once you get a score of 80% or higher, take a screenshot of that or a picture of it and submit that to Moodle, and that's how you'll earn the assignment points. If you don't score 80% initially, you can retake the assessment as many times as you need to. So I hope that helps.